was freshly ended with World War II. So World War II ended in 1945, August. 2 months later, in October 1945, the British came back to Malaysia, and this time when they came with a flag. And their flag was to initiate. Alright, so that is going to be the history of our journey to the independence. Now, we're going to go all the way from Johor Bahru. So the first flag we designed and proposed will be this design. Okay, this flag has a mixture of two different flags in this. The first one, who can guess what is this flag representing? Turkey. Very good answer, sir. Again, short form, 1963. We achieved 14 states. So that is going to be including Singapore. 1965, Singapore left Malaysia. But they did not remove that stripe. They let the stripe remain there. Only in 1974, when Wilayah Persekutuan was introduced, Wilayah took over the empty spot of Singapore. So for almost 9 years, one of the stripes was empty. It didn't represent anything. Yeah. And then finally our leaders decided to change the color as well. So yellow is going to be for the royalty, blue will be for the unity of the people, red is for bravery, and finally white is for purity. And one final information. The name Janur Undang, Stripes of Glory, was only given in the year 1997. Okay, for this journey, our national friends came all the way from Malaysia. It is Sultan of Perak. Okay, but before that, let me ask you one question. Governor, and he was assassinated in the year 1875. And who's the meeting? But let me just give you a quick brief of this gallery, alright? Okay, as for these three columns in the middle of this gallery, this is going to be our Hall of Fame. The first one will be our culture.
So until
Ja. Ja.